Hello everyone. So I found this article from InsideEVs. It's about Ford Lightning owners who were surveyed about their usage of their vehicle, and there are some interesting findings. So let's check it out. So the headline is Ford Lightning buyers use truck bed way more than ICE F-150 owners. ICE is internal combustion engine. The Ford F-150 Lightning is bringing a new breed of drivers to the brand, and especially the F-150 nameplate, with the automaker saying it has noticed a dramatic shift in the pickup truck buyer profile since it launched the all-electric Lightning. New customer survey data collected by the Blue Oval and published by Detroit Free Press reveals that traditional pickup owners use their gas-powered trucks differently than the newcomers who have bought the battery electric version. More than 3,500 buyers returned their digital survey between September 2021 and October 2022. Jason Mace, Ford Marketing General Manager for Electrified Trucks, told the publication, noting that F-150 Lightning deliveries started after April 2022. The findings are really interesting and some of them quite surprising. For example, Lightning owners use the truck bed way more often than gas-powered F-150 owners, as they are doing more hauling and camping, as well as home projects. Based on survey data and follow-up phone calls, Ford found that 74% of owners are using their Lightning once a month for home projects, hauling things such as dirt, flooring, drywall, and mulch, compared to 51% of ICE F-150 owners. Furthermore, 27% of F-150 Lightning buyers are using the truck bed for home project hauling once a week versus 14% for ICE buyers. Lightning owners also go camping more often, with 48% of them saying they do that once a month, hauling tents, kayaks, bikes, and cooking stoves, compared to 40% of ICE F-150 owners. Interestingly, more than half the Lightning buyers are coming from a non-pickup, compared with roughly 33% for gas-powered F-150 buyers. Furthermore, 90% of Lightning buyers are coming from a non-electric, non-hybrid, non-plug-in vehicle. This is probably why the F-150 Lightning owners make more use of their truck's capability. These people finally get their pickup and they're excited. They use it like crazy. They have the freedom to have wet and dirty storage in bed and use dry storage up front in the front trunk, which is massive. I coach baseball and throw dirty gear in the box and groceries and nice things in the front. The survey also revealed other interesting things about the F-150 Lightning buyers, such as the fact that more than 60% of them are millennials or Gen X, under 50. This partially explains another finding, namely that they tend to be early adopters of technology. Speaking of tech, a majority of them use Apple versus Android phones. Finally, F-150 Lightning buyers tend to have higher education. 70% of them have a bachelor's degree versus 42% of ICE owners, and 33% have graduate degrees versus 14% of ICE owners. So an interesting article there from InsideEVs. Some cool insights to recent buyers of the Ford F-150 Lightning. Kind of not surprising when I think about it, and like he mentioned there in his quote, they're excited that they have a truck now and they want to use it as much as they can, go camping and haul camping gear and whatnot, kayaks and tents and what have you. I would imagine, if they did a survey a few years from now, that might level out the way they use the vehicle. But still interesting to see, and I thought it was a cool article, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. And also, I just recently watched a video from Shanghai inside the factory that I would recommend. It's an interview. They go through the factory in Shanghai, and the main point they're making is, look how fast we're manufacturing, which is true. The Tesla, especially the Shanghai factory, is producing vehicles at a staggering rate. I think they said in the video, a car comes off the line in under a minute, and it takes the guy wasn't 100% sure, but he said roughly 2.5 hours from the start of the line to the end of the line, which I think industry standard is more like 25 to 30 hours to go through the entire production line. So I'll put a link to that in the description as well. It's a cool video. If you like seeing inside the factory, you can see like it's quite the hub of activity, and definitely pumping out lots of Model 3s and Ys through that factory. So that's it for this piece. My name is Evan Bertrand. This is the Evergreen channel. Please subscribe. It's free. And thanks for watching.